हम बात करेंगे विद टू अदर गेस्ट्स वी हैव ऑन सेट एंड हम काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्कशन उनसे करने वाले हैं. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू फातिमा अरशद, हु इज़ द हेड ऑफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशंस एट यूनिलीवर. वेलकम टू द शो. And then we have Shaista Aisha, who's the CEO and Director of Seed Ventures and Strategic Narrative Architect. Welcome to the show. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Great. So आज हम लोग basically फातिमा, पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा सा इंट्रो लोगों को बता दूं कि फातिमा is actually a communication leader for about 10 years. She is the head of sustainability at Unilever Pakistan और उनके पास अपनी communication वो use करती हैं एक positive social और environmental impact लाने के लिए. Shaista over here is basically a very distinguished sustainability and impact leader as well. और ये एक former banker थी और अब ये एक social impact specialist हैं with a decade of experience as well. और इसी नोट पे हम फातिमा से पहला सवाल पूछेंगे जो कि ये है कि आपको क्यों लगता है कि कंपनीज़ लाइक यूनिलीवर को इतना एक्टिव रोल लेना चाहिए पाकिस्तान की इन्वायरमेंटल चैलेंजेस के लिए?
आई थिंक फॉर अस एक सेंस ऑफ अकाउंटेबिलिटी से ही बात स्टार्ट होती है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली हम पाकिस्तान के 90% घरों से ज़्यादा में अपने प्रोडक्ट सर्व करते हैं और हमारी जो पैकेजिंग होती है उसमें डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स इस्तेमाल होते हैं, उसमें प्लास्टिक्स भी एक है. फॉर अस इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि अगर हम प्रोड्यूस करें तो हम ये भी कंसिडर करें कि हम उसको किस तरह डिस्पोज, रिसाइकिल और एक सेकेंड लाइफ दे सकते हैं. Which is why a lot of organizations, not just Unilever, have taken a lot of accountability in the past 4-5 years कि हम किस तरह अगर materials यूज़ करें तो उनको कम इस्तेमाल करें, बेहतर इस्तेमाल करें और जो actually environment में आ गया है, how do we take that and give it something of a meaningful life?
Absolutely.
Which
how do we recycle it?
Yes, and how do we recycle it and make it easier because पाकिस्तान के लिए बहुत बड़ी opportunity है and we want to be an enabler as part of the solution also if we are part of the problem a little
Of
bit.
course, and not just that, you know, being Unilever, you have to set that example for other companies to follow.
Absolutely.
Being Unilever itself, it's a bigger responsibility, right?
Absolutely.
So, you know, Shaista, what does Second Life program offer to local startups and entrepreneurs कि वो waste management space में काम करते रहें?
So basically,
Second Life है क्या, पहले ये भी बताएं.
So Second Life is a collaboration to something that we conceived together, Unilever and Seed Ventures, and the idea was to create an industry platform जहाँ circularity और sustainability के solutions पे काम किया जा सके. So essentially, what it is a program that supports startups within the circular space. We provide them with mentoring, with financial assistance, with the knowledge, and with a link to experts. More than just visibility, what Second Life offers is actually networking opportunities with the very best in the industry. You know, we introduce them to sustainability leaders across the industry of Pakistan, and the idea is to create a supportive ecosystem for them. Because circularity, you know, it's a very technical space or एक मुश्किल space है. तो इसके लिए आपको expertise चाहिए होती है, आपको technical validation चाहिए होती है. You need the right kind of mentors who can help you scale and build that idea.
Absolutely, absolutely. And अगर हम देखें तो हमारी ज़िंदगी में भी circularity है in our body as well. खून. Do you know? So मतलब it's not a concept that should be very alien to people. So coming back to you, Fatima, do you feel like as if कि Unilever जो है वो traditional CSR से थोड़ा हट के जा रहा है कि sustainability embed हो जाए across the entire value chain?
बिल्कुल, और हमने तकरीबन 2010 में ये जर्नी स्टार्ट की थी बिकॉज एंड शायद ये एक्सप्लेन करना ज़रूरी है. CSR इज़ वेरी मच के येस वी एग्जिस्ट इन सोसाइटी, हम थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा काम करेंगे बट डिस्टेंस पे करेंगे. चेक लिख दिया, डोनेशन कर दी. सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज़ कि हम
इवेंट्स
कर लिए. बिल्कुल,
We've all been there.
एब्सोल्युटली. सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज़ मच मोर ग्रैन्युलर कि आप जिस तरह ऑपरेट करते हैं, आप जो चीज़ें बनाते हैं, किस तरह बनाते हैं, किन वैल्यूज़ के साथ बनाते हैं. हाउ डू वी टेक दैट स्पिरिट एंड एम्बेडेड अक्रॉस आवर ऑपरेशंस. और हम 4 बड़े एरियाज़ में काम कर रहे हैं विच आर मोर लुकिंग एट आवरसेल्व्स एंड हाउ डू वी गेट आवर हाउस इन ऑर्डर. Climate, big one for the planet, for Pakistan, for our organization. Plastics, definitely, because हमारा इतना impact है तो हम solution में participate करना चाहते हैं. Livelihoods, जिसमें लोगों के रोज़गार, उस पर हमने बहुत काम किया है. And nature. तो हमारी ज़्यादा चीज़ें ऐसी हैं कि from.
Would love for you to expand a little if you could with respect to plastic. तो वैसे ही काफ़ी over the years हमने notice किया कम हुआ है. Before you guys came as well, people have stopped using plastic bags as well. How do you do nature?
Well, पाकिस्तान इज़ एन एग्रीकल्चरल कंट्री। हम अगर नेचर से कोई रिसोर्सेज लेते हैं, अगर वो वीट हो जो हमारे नूडल्स में इस्तेमाल होता है, या फिर वो टमेटोज़ हो जो हमारे केचप में इस्तेमाल होता है, हाउ डू वी डू दैट इन अ मोर सस्टेनेबल वे। जिस तरह वो प्रोड्यूस होता है, जो फार्मिंग प्रैक्टिसेस इस्तेमाल होती हैं, जो हमारे फार्मर्स जिस तरीके से काम करते हैं, उसको रीजेनरेटिव बनाना, उसको गोइंग बैक टू द रूट्स ऑफ हाउ I think the world was meant to do agriculture.
हम बात कर रहे हैं about sustainability and we have these lovely ladies over here from Second Life Pakistan. And you know, Shaista, अब आपके लिए एक सवाल है. You were telling me about how you've expanded in 7 industries and some really great stuff that you were mentioning. Would you like to expand on that?
So yeah, before we go on to that, I just want to tell you that you know, organizations that we had in the first cycle have you know, expanded in scale. There was Concept Loop, there was Bigger Bricks, you know, and they have been able to grow and scale their operations, and that's the whole purpose. It's to provide a support system that can help these startups grow. Having said that, we said, you know, we can't just limit it to plastics. So we need to expand this so that other industries can also participate. So I'm very happy to say that in the second cycle, UNDP Pakistan came on board.
Nice.
And, you know, so we've been able to grow that network.
Yeah.
And also in terms of our focus on industries. So from plastics, we're now also doing textiles, agri-waste, e-waste, construction, food waste, you know, so then of
You've
course,
really expanded the portfolio a lot.
and then that means essentially any manufacturing industry in Pakistan can come on board and partner, because there is going to be waste after you manufacture.
Of course.
We have some excellent examples of the startups who've participated. So we have Atfal, which is a startup, it's women-led, and they employ you know, women from low-income communities, and they use textile waste to manufacture clothing for children.
Oh, lovely.
Right? So there is that aspect. Then we have Zarkhad, sorry. And that is basically, you know, they're manufacturing compost from food waste, and they're using earthworms to improve the quality of the fertilizer.
Oh, lovely.
Then we have Rapid, which is a startup that is making packaging material out of post-consumer, you know, packets.
Packets.
Yeah, so
the shampoos and the
yes,
bottles.
so chips packets.
Right,
So you know, they're making products out of that. So I mean, you see so much talent, and there is so much innovation there, and that's what we're trying to kind of bring out, because we know this exists.
Absolutely.
But what they need is a platform, and that's what we're hoping that Second Life Pakistan can become.
Lovely. So you know, Fatma, I want to ask you how the stakeholders are actually playing an active role in making sure कि ये unique efforts match हों. What would you say?
I would say, देखिए, इसको ना स्टार्टअप अकेले कर सकती है, ना इंडस्ट्री अकेले कर सकती है, ना गवर्नमेंट की सिर्फ जिम्मेदारी है। हमारा मकसद ये है विथ इवन सेकेंड लाइफ कि इंडस्ट्री तो चलें प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ गई, बट वी वांट ऑल पीपल टू कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट इन द सोल्यूशन. द बिगेस्ट टू नीड्स दैट स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेज और स्टार्टअप्स इन पाकिस्तान हैव इज़ कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग एंड फाइनेंसिंग. अच्छी बात यह है कि विद द ग्रीन टेक्सोनॉमी कमिंग इन, जो हमारा फोकस हो गया ऑन रेजिलियंस एंड फाइनेंसिंग, दोज आर ग्रेट थिंग्स टू हैव. अब हमें एफर्ट करनी है कि इंडस्ट्री, गवर्नमेंट और स्टार्टअप्स मिलके उसको पेज से रियलिटी तक लेके
Of course, yeah.
एंड वी फील दैट इस तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म्स होने चाहिए जहाँ पे वी मीट एंड इंटरैक्ट, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ गुड वर्क इज़ हैपनिंग, बट इट्स हैपनिंग इन silos.
Of course.
If we don't come together, we will not be able to give it the scale that Pakistan deserves and these startups deserve.
Yeah, but when they started off, they were all, you know, separate, right? And now everyone is kind of coming together, now the industries. So, if I were to take a last ending message from you with respect to how you see these changes over the years and how you see them coming together in the future, do you see a positive trajectory?
I do, definitely. I think just in Second Life, when we started last year and a half ago, we had 30-40 startups. We are now looking at 200 applications, just 30 in the final rounds.
Nice.
So that's a big shift.
You feel the same?
Absolutely. I mean, and the talent is so diverse.
Absolutely.
Right? And the best part is that
people are also jogging their creative muscles to actually think and take responsibility for the waste they're leaving behind.
And it's a problem, but it's being looked at as an opportunity, and that's the big shift, you know, that's where the
in mindset too.
Yeah.
Absolutely great. It's been an absolute pleasure